Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Another hot and very humid day, though not the extremely high humidity we had yesterday. Tomorrow, the humidity will be about the same as today, but the temperatures will be a little hotter. And today we hit 90 to 95. Temperature-wise, that's not a big deal in August, but when you factored in that very high humidity, it felt like it was about 100 to 110 out there. And so the heat advisory continues until 8 p.m. tomorrow, basically sunset on Thursday. We may still have some of our southern counties under an advisory on Friday, depending on how quickly the cold front moves on through, but certainly much cooler and less humid air on the way for the weekend. And unlike yesterday when we had that line of thunderstorms rolling on through, live first warning Doppler radar is all quiet, and it should stay that way until probably later tomorrow night. But later tonight will be the best time to take in the Perseid meteor shower. It's one of the best showers of the entire year. Actually started back in late July, goes through the middle of August, but tonight is the peak, and you can see anywhere from 15 to 20 meteors per hour, 2 to 3 per minute, and weather conditions are ideal. Skies are clear, the crescent moon is setting, so no moonlight to battle with, and all you have to do is head outside and find a dark spot away from city lights, look directly overhead. You don't need a binoculars, a telescope, anything like that, and hopefully you get a nice show from the Perseids set to peak here for the overnight hours, though they still will be visible through the weekend. Live view from our roofclaim.com tower camera, looking out on the Glover Carey Blue Bridge, swirling in blue this evening. And here's downtown Evansville, our Superior Ag Tower camera. And boy, is it warm out there. 10 o'clock in the evening, it is still 84 degrees. That's only 4 off the average high temperature for the state. Dew points at 73, so it's very humid air. South-southwest wind at 9 miles per hour. Upper 70s to low 80s across the area, and we should wind up somewhere in the mid-70s by sunup tomorrow morning. Well, all quiet here in the tri-state. Meanwhile, in the tropics, Fred weakened to a tropical depression as it moved over Hispaniola today. It's now centered over Haiti. It's going to be moving across land masses here. Cuba will be next. That's going to help it from becoming a hurricane, but will likely strengthen back into a tropical storm, skirt along the west coast of Florida over the weekend, and then make a beeline maybe for the eastern panhandle of Florida later Sunday night into Monday. So if you have vacation plans for Destin or especially Panama City, pay attention to Fred. We'll keep you posted here in the next few days. All quiet, though, in our area. Storms are rumbling to the north again. We could pick up some of the clouds from these later tonight, but we don't have to worry about any of the thunders. So Future Tracker does turn us partly cloudy by daybreak tomorrow, and then a partly cloudy, breezy, very hot, very humid Thursday on the way. High temperatures mid to upper 90s, forecasting 96 in Evansville, Henderson, 97 Owensboro, feeling like 105 to 110 during the peak of the afternoon heat. And it should be a dry day tomorrow, and then later tomorrow night, a weakening line of storms coming in from the north, leading edge hitting our northern fringe at around 3 a.m. on Friday, weakening as it hits the Ohio River, so some scattered showers to start the day on Friday. Those quickly fade. The sun comes back out. Cold front comes in. More scattered showers and thunderstorms redevelop in the afternoon with an isolated damaging wind threat. But the greater threat may be in western Kentucky late afternoon and evening, and they're going to gradually push away to the south, though a little rain could still be in our southeastern counties at sunup on Saturday. Those will quickly exit as the cooler and less humid air moves on in. So overnight tonight, becoming partly cloudy. Very warm, mid-70s for the low, and then partly cloudy, breezy, very hot, very humid tomorrow, 93 to 98, feeling like 105 to 110. 7-day forecast, we got the severe storm alert up for those isolated damaging wind gusts for Friday afternoon and evening. Not as hot, upper 80s to low 90s, but still very humid. And then those scattered storms push away to the south later Friday night and Saturday morning. So by Saturday afternoon, fair amount of sunshine, heat is down 84, humidity is dropping. Same for Sunday, partly cloudy, a comfortable 84 degrees, and the heat and humidity just gradually build back in first half of next week as the scattered showers and thunder showers return. So we got one more day of heat tomorrow, some scattered storms Friday, more scattered storms next week, but in between all of that, a nice weekend.
We love it.
All right. Thank you, Wayne.